Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something built for the modern workspace and classroom, the Optoma W320USTi WXGA video projector. And yeah, if you want to grab it at a limited time discount, check out the link in the description below. This isn't your average projector. The W320UST packs an ultra-short throw design, meaning it can blast a 100-inch screen from just 24 inches away. That's insane. You can drop this into tight spaces without sacrificing screen size or dealing with shadow interference. Now let's talk brightness. It pushes out 4,000 lumens so your visuals stay sharp and vivid, even in fully lit rooms. No need to shut the blinds. Pair that with WXGA resolution and a clean 16:10 aspect ratio, and everything just pops, whether it's spreadsheets or streaming. And yep, this thing supports full 3D playback. Hook it up to a 3D Blu-ray player, broadcast signal, or your gaming rig, and you're diving into some seriously immersive visuals. But here's where it gets next level: interactive pen and touch support. You can draw, write, and even collaborate directly on the projected image. Great for teaching, team brainstorming, or just flexing your ideas on a big canvas. Optoma's color tech? Super legit. You get vibrant, color-accurate visuals every time. Whether you're showing off graphics, photos, or video, the detail and color fidelity are seriously impressive. Audio-wise, it's rocking a built-in 16-watt speaker. Loud and clear enough for most medium-sized rooms. No external sound system required. And installation? Straightforward. It comes with a wall mount in the box. Just set it, connect it, and you're ready to go. Plus, with a lamp life of up to 6,500 hours and eco-friendly features, you're not just saving power, you're saving on maintenance too. For enterprise or education setups, you've got full network control support, Crestron Room View, Extern IP Link, AMX, and PJ Link, making remote management smooth and scalable. So, why pick the Optoma W320UST? Here's the rundown. Ultra-short throw projection. 4,000 lumens of brightness. WXGA resolution with 16:10 aspect ratio. True 3D playback support. Interactive pen and touch input. Built-in 16W speaker. Wall mount included. Long-lasting lamp life. Eco-conscious and network-ready. From classrooms to boardrooms, this projector checks all the boxes, and then some. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to snag the Optoma W320UST at a discount, be sure to hit that link in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tech reviews and gear breakdowns right here on Tech Marlos. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.